Experiencing a connection failed message on your Tesla app? This error usually means the app can't communicate with Tesla's servers. There are three main reasons: server issues on Tesla's end, network problems on your side, or issues with your app login. We'll break down each cause and show you how to fix it. As of December 2025, these errors are often linked to peak usage times or during Tesla software updates. This video provides up-to-date troubleshooting steps to get you back in control. The first main reason for connection failed errors is server issues on Tesla's end. Tesla's servers may be down due to high traffic, maintenance, or updates. Check Tesla's status page for outages. Usually resolves within 24 to 48 hours. As of December 2025, server issues are common during peak usage or software updates. The second reason is network problems on your side. Your internet connection may be unstable. Ensure you're on Wi-Fi or cellular with good signal. Disable VPN if using one. Minimum 2 to 3 Mbps speed needed. Try toggling airplane mode or restarting your device. The third reason is issues with your app login. Login problems often stem from expired tokens, incorrect credentials, or 2FA issues. Clear app cache, update the app, or reset password. Ensure app is compatible with iOS 16 Plus or Android 11 Plus. Server-side issues occur when Tesla's infrastructure is overwhelmed. Their servers manage everything from login authentication to remote vehicle control. During firmware updates or peak usage, these servers can experience overloads, leading to downtime. Tesla's servers are responsible for critical functions like authenticating your login, synchronizing vehicle data, and processing remote commands, such as unlocking doors or adjusting climate control. These overloads are especially common during major firmware updates or when millions of Tesla owners are using the app simultaneously. To check for outages, visit Tesla's official status page at status.tesla.com for real-time alerts about server issues. Unfortunately, when servers are down, there's little users can do except wait. These outages typically resolve within 24 to 48 hours as Tesla's team addresses the infrastructure challenges. Tesla acknowledges these server issues through in-app notifications, explaining them as part of their rapid growth and the need to scale their infrastructure to support a global fleet exceeding 20 million vehicles. Network connectivity problems are a common cause of Tesla app connection failures. The app requires a stable internet connection with at least 2 to 3 Mbps download speed. First, ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled or that cellular data is enabled and has a good signal. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your device's network connection. If using Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to a stable network with good signal strength. Avoid using VPNs as they can interfere with API calls to Tesla's servers. If problems persist, try another network to test if the issue is with your home internet. Remember that location can affect service, especially in rural areas. Login and authentication issues in the Tesla app can often be resolved by resetting your app and credentials. Start by ensuring your app is up to date. First, make sure the Tesla app is updated to the latest version. This is especially important for compatibility with iOS 16 or Android 11 and higher. If that doesn't work, try restarting the app and your device. This can clear temporary glitches. Next, clear the app's cache and data through your device's settings. This removes corrupted files that might be causing login problems. As a last resort, completely uninstall and reinstall the app. This gives you a fresh start. Always double-check your login details and make sure your two-factor authentication is set up correctly. Finally, expired authentication tokens can cause issues, so perform a fresh login to get new tokens. Advanced troubleshooting covers firewall settings and software updates when basic connection fixes fail. These steps address deeper system conflicts that can block the Tesla app from communicating with servers. First, check your firewall settings. Firewalls can block the Tesla app from connecting to Tesla's servers, causing connection failed errors. On Windows, navigate to Firewall and Network Protection and allow the app through for all network types. This is especially important if you're on a corporate network or using security software. Second, ensure your Tesla app is updated. Outdated versions may not support the latest server protocols, leading to connection failures. Check your App Store for updates and install them immediately. If updates are failing, it could indicate a deeper network or storage issue. Third, enable automatic updates in your App Store settings. This ensures the Tesla app stays current without manual intervention. Select the Wi-Fi only option to conserve mobile data. Auto updates prevent many connection errors by keeping the app compatible with Tesla's servers. Fourth, address software conflicts by closing background apps. Running too many apps simultaneously can drain resources and cause connectivity issues. Force close apps you're not using, especially those that might conflict with network access. This is a common fix for intermittent connection failures. Finally, update your phone's operating system if it's significantly outdated. OS updates include security patches and network improvements that can fix connection issues. Check for updates in your device settings and install them, ensuring you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during the process. Remember, these advanced steps often resolve issues when basic troubleshooting fails. A community tip is to always prioritize firewall checks on Windows systems. Let's look at some real-world examples of connection failed errors and how users resolved them. During the November 2025 supercharger outage, many Tesla users experienced connection failures. The solution for most was simply restarting the Tesla app. One Tesla owner on a road trip in California faced repeated connection issues. The fix was updating the app to the latest version, resolving the problem immediately. If basic fixes don't work, contact Tesla support. In 2025, they remotely resolved 60% of reported connection issues through their support channels. If you're still unable to resolve the issue yourself, consider reaching out to other Tesla owners in community forums for additional assistance and tips. Tesla's user community is a valuable resource for troubleshooting connection issues. Check Tesla forums like Ars Tesla and Tesla Motors Club, as well as Discord groups, for community-driven fixes shared by other users. Some users report success by disabling Bluetooth temporarily, which can help resolve app connectivity problems. Adjusting your phone's battery optimization settings can also improve the Tesla app's performance and reduce connection failures. User surveys show that AI-driven diagnostics are becoming more common, helping reduce manual troubleshooting. However, community fixes will continue to be valuable. Looking ahead to the future of Tesla app connectivity, Tesla is planning significant improvements through 5G optimizations and edge computing. These advancements could reduce connection failures by up to 50% by 2026. To prevent connection issues, keep your Tesla app updated regularly. Monitor Tesla's status page for any outages and ensure you have a strong network connection. Updating passwords regularly also helps maintain secure access. In the long term, app stability will improve as AI learns from user data. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that infrastructure upgrades will solve 80% of connectivity issues within 2 years. By 2027, AI integration should reduce similar app issues in EV ecosystems by 35%. With these advancements, Tesla app connectivity is set to become more reliable, providing a smoother experience for all users.